All right, let's talk about dynamic offer personalization, Iron Man style. Imagine Iron Man going into battle with one suit, one tool, one setting, no matter who he fights. Thanos, same suit. Ultron, same suit. Random street villain, same suit. You can already hear Tony Stark screaming, total disaster. And yet, most companies do exactly this with their offers. The same pricing, the same discount, the same trial, the same pitch, whether the buyer is a startup, enterprise, or just browsing. But AI transforms everything. Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai track behavior in real time, page views, clicks, return visits, timing, and automatically personalize offers. Higher intent, more direct that moment. Price sensitive, adjust messaging. Enterprise level, expanded package. Browsing only, soft entry offer. So tell me, why are your offers still stuck in 2010?